Looking for a waterproof deck solution that lasts? Econodek is a direct source PVC membrane system that creates a completely waterproof barrier over your deck while providing a durable, comfortable surface. Buy direct, save money, get better results. Econodek is tested to stay waterproof for 20+ years. Withstands temperatures from -40 degrees to 365 degrees. No sanding, staining, or sealing, ever. You can do an install in 1 or 2 days on a typical deck, and it has the lowest lifetime cost compared to wood, composite, or tile. Econodek vinyl decking is specifically designed to be contractor-friendly, with straightforward installation steps and a simple application process, which means faster project completion and satisfied clients. The system requires minimal specialized equipment, making it accessible for both professional installers and hands-on homeowners. Perfect for residential decks, rooftop spaces, balconies, walkways, boathouses, and commercial patios, anywhere you need waterproof protection with style. Visit Econodek.com today for a free quote and see how easy it is to transform your outdoor space with waterproof decking that's built to last.